Alright, so welcome to Pensacola Campground. This is located in Northern California in Sacramento.
Capital of our city, of our country, I mean? Or
capital of our state.
Yep, thank you.
Up near Folsom. That was Scarlet, in case you're wondering. There are multiple campsites. Right now we are at campsite number 2. The restrooms are to the left. Even campsites are going to be on the right. The odd campsites are going to be on our left. This place does have a dump station if you have a motorhome or trailer.
It was really hard to get in here. The roads are pretty narrow, so if you have a motorhome, then just be very, very careful because the roads are very narrow. Yeah, I recommend that if you do have a motorhome, make sure that you do take your time getting over here. Like that guy probably did? Yeah. And why is the sun in my eye? So right now we are coming up towards Folsom Lake. There are campsites to the right of me that go down. And then there's campsites on the left-hand side. The one on the left is actually pretty nice. But it'll be kind of hard to put a trailer. And then there's another campsite to the far right of me, but the problem is that it's a walk down the hill to get to the site. And we have a tent trailer, and we wouldn't be able to park our trailer. Well, theoretically we could. It wouldn't that be hard, but it would be kind of a pain in the butt. Yeah. Same thing, whatever. And there's a flock, like 2 to 3 flocks of geese down there. Yep. Goose. There's different kinds of wildlife coming around this area. You got geese, you got hawks, you got vultures, coyotes, bunnies, turkeys. Which we saw one earlier. I think it was a female. Yeah, there's a couple of wild turkeys that are hanging around the campground. There's another trailer. There are no electric hookups whatsoever. These are all tent sites. People bring their trailers down here, but they're usually fully charged. The bathroom situation, there's multiple bathrooms, but the bathrooms are pretty far away from one another. The main bathrooms does have a shower, but those are located in sites. Yeah. What was it? Those are located down here. Somewhere down here they are located. There's an RV up there, which is nice. That's pretty cool. RV thing, yeah. Yeah, so somewhere around this area there are the showers. We have to go a little bit further down. Yeah, to get to the shower. We're approaching the next set of sites, which is sites 32 through 36, which is where we're going to head down towards. We're going to head down towards the boat ranch, the launch ramp area. We're going to head down there, and I'm going to do a little fishing, and Scarlett's going to take a little swim in the lake. Some of these sites that are parked right next to the lake, though, they're very nice sites, but you are going to have the sun directly in your face 24/7 coming out of here. Yeah. And there are some people swimming down there, so that's a good thing. Yep, so I won't be alone. And I did see a couple people walking down here, so that's a good sign for me. That means I won't be alone in the lake too. Yeah. So we're gonna go. So Scarlett and I are gonna hang out down here. In case you're wondering about where my wife and my wife and Chapo is, they're hanging out back at the campsite. My mom didn't want to come, and then my dad didn't want to bring him. Didn't feel like it today. So we'll be back. So we're gonna go ahead and hang out here. Stay tuned for part 2 as we continue the tour of the Pensacola Campground, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. You're not gonna show them. You're not gonna give them like a fishing plate tour? Later. We'll give you guys a further view of the campground later on as time goes on. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them down below in the comments. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Also, there are jet skis. There are jet skis and boats in the lake currently. I see maybe 3 to 4 jet skis in the lake and maybe 5-ish boats. So, yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Now get outside and have an adventure. Bye.